In this video, I'll show you how to send a customer statement in QuickBooks. First, log into QuickBooks Online and open your company. Next, go to Sales and select Customers. Now, find the customer you want to send a statement to and open their profile. After that, click the drop-down next to New Transaction and select Statement. Choose the statement type you want to send, such as Balance Forward or Open Item. Next, select the statement date and review the date range if QuickBooks provides that option. Now, check the customer's open invoices, payments, and outstanding balance to make sure the information is correct. After that, enter the customer's email address if it isn't already saved. You can also add a message to the customer before sending the statement. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Send or Send, depending on the options available in your account. Finally, return to the customer's profile to confirm the statement was sent and review the outstanding balance if needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send a customer statement in QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.